Hello everyone and welcome to Unity3d Ultimate Tips and Tricks Part 1. In this video, I'm going to share some tiny tips and tricks in Unity for you guys. So without any further ado, let's go for them. Sometimes you need some specific component that needs to be added to a game object and you forgot to add them almost every time. So here's the solution. Required component attribute. By using required component attribute on your mono behavior, you will add those specific components automatically after adding the mono behavior to your game object. Animation curves. Personally, I really love animation curves because you can use them in almost any scenario. The usage of animation curves is to get the value by time within the curve you want to evaluate. An example usage is, as you can see, we can move the transform position in a non-linear velocity fashion. Have you ever wondered how to add this limiting sliders for floats and ends in the editor window? Here's how to add them by simply adding the range attribute right above the float or end fields in mono behavior. Are you feeling your arrays like this? I have a better and much faster idea. Just like your inspector window, select all your elements and simply drag and drop them like this. Voila! The array is filled with those elements. Sometimes you change some important values in a component and hit Ctrl S to save the change, but suddenly seeing this error. Yes, you are in play mode and Unity doesn't allow to save change during play mode. But don't panic. You can use copy component by right-clicking on the component and choosing copy component and then paste the exact values after exiting from play mode to the same component. For the following of copy component from play mode tip, you can always inform yourself about being in play mode by having a tint color on play mode. To do so, just go to Edit, Preferences, Colors and change the default play mode tint color to your desired color. Did you know that you can have bigger space for your strings and text fields in the inspector window? I'm talking about the multiline attribute. You can add multiline attribute to a string field to display multiline text in the inspector window. Ensure that a mono behavior won't be added twice in the same game object by adding this attribute on your mono behavior. DISSALLOW multiple components attribute. Slow motion effect in Unity is as easy as yes, easy as drinking a glass of water. Just add these two lines of code and you are done. Did you ever know that you can run your snippet of code without entering into play mode? By default, mono behaviors only run in play mode. But you can execute instances of your mono behavior and its callback functions in editor without the need to enter in play mode. To do so, you will need this attribute, execute in edit mode. As you can see, our logic is running without entering into the play mode. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you didn't. Stay tuned for more videos and until the next one, cheers!